So Contractor bought this radio. Got a good deal on it. The only problem is that case is gross. It also had Velcro on the front there. I got that removed. Meters don't work. Let me set this down. I need 2 hands. So this is creative. See that right there? Little bulb in there from a car. Little dash light. As you can see, it's blowing to hell. Somebody cranked up the voltage all the way on it. Fortunately, the main unit itself is still good. So, we have a parts radio. We have all the things that are missing. Yeah. Everything we need. Like the lighting units. No meters. Oh. Guess what? Wow. Look at that. It makes it look like a new radio. Yeah, we'll get this thing all spiffied out. Catch me later. Psychotech Labs off the key. There it is. Contractors Galaxy Saturn all done. We replaced the meters. Put in meter lights. New top and bottom cover. Cleaned it up. Yeah, buddy. Looking nice. Oh, yeah. He'll be slamming the band on that.